Hey all, thanks for checking out this video. Today we're going to try out the brand new CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Kit, put it on our lips and see how we like it. It comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. So let's check it out.
The sunshine, it's feeling so fine. I love it up in the sky.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out this new product with me. We're talking about the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Kit. I haven't even opened the box yet. Here's what the back of the box looks like. We've got some how-to in 3 steps, and I'll go over that with you. And I have purchased the color number 295 Succulent Cherry Exhibitionist Lipstick. And it comes with the Cherry Red Exhibitionist All Day Lip Liner. So we're gonna open the box now. That's what the top of the box looks like. Inside, we just pulled out the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner. And the lipstick in there too. It says Succulent Cherry Cream. When you open up the lipstick,
I'm already sure I wanna be yours.
This attractive packaging.
So I'm gonna count down.
And when you open up the lip liner, it looks like this. I must say, it took quite a bit of doing to get the protective coating off the lip liner in particular, so note to self, make time for that. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Cherry Rouge. This is what the lip liner looks like. It has a nice angled line to it. It's not just a stick, there's a shape to it, so I think that bodes well. And alright, so step 1 is to define Cupid's bow. The area of your lips here with the bend is called Cupid's bow, so we're going to define that. And to do that, go like this.
Of my attention, 'cause you take me to other dimensions. Am I allowed to give you that feeling? You know that I want it every evening. I'm already sure I wanna be yours. So I'm gonna count down from 10.
Gonna make an X pattern on your lips.
But then you should know I don't really
Gonna make an X pattern on your lips.
So if you love
Step 2 is to outline your lips on the natural lip outline.
But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow.
So far I find this to be really creamy and easy to use. It's easy to make the lines.
Anybody else, just your
Okay, happy with that so far.
can't myself.
We've lined the entire lip and it's time to apply the lipstick. So,
Give it to me,
and that's it.
of your devotion. So
Okay, so to recap, for me, the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip was really easy to use. I think the color turned out beautifully. I love the hot red. I don't use lip liner every time I use lipstick, but if you're gonna go with red, this actually makes a lot of sense. It was easy to create a really beautiful, defined lip shape, so I would say I'm really happy with it. It was affordable and the end result is beautiful. I also like the fact that it's not too matte, not too shiny, kind of right in the middle. I think it's beautiful, so I would say this one's a winner.